So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. It's me Raz, and today we'll be continuing the uh video about the Amazon, and today we'll be discussing about the topic Amazon elastic load balancing. Okay, so uh, uh EVL, or the elastic load balancing, is an AWS service that automatically distributes incoming traffic across the multiple resources like EC2 instances or container. Okay, this helps your applications stay available, responsive, and stable, and even when there is a lots of user traffic. So in this video, we'll be discussing about what is ELB, elastic load balancing. What are the importance of elastic load balancing? There are different type of elastic load balancing. We'll be discussing on that. So how ELB works, what are the benefits of the elastic load balancing, and some of the real world example we'll get here, and we'll finally finish the video. So what is EBL? Okay, think of the load balancer like a traffic police. Okay, so a police officer at a busy junctions. It direct the cars, or in our case, it's a network request to the right lanes, ensuring the smooth flow. If one service get too busy or fail, it will automatically redirect traffic to others. So users moves never face the downtimes. Like there are three servers or instances, EC2 instances, and in A, B, and C, when only A gets the higher number of traffic, then EPL automatically divert the traffic to other two as well. That is B and C EC2 instances. Okay, so by these it will manage the traffic of the incoming flow of the traffic. So what is the importance of EPL? Why do we need these things? Okay, but the main reason we use the EBL is to maintain the high availability and handle the scalability automatically. Okay, when your application becomes popular and more users log in, EBL helps to share the traffic load across the multiple instances. Even if one server crashes, other can take over, ensuring your application stay online. Yeah, as I have already said that when one of the instances get overloaded, then to distribute the what traffics, and even one of the server get crash, or the instances get crash because of the overload of the traffic, then it will die. Your system will remain online because of the other remaining instances that you have. So there are different type of load balancing, elastic load balancing. So mainly there are four types of load balancing, and those are application load balancing, which is best for the web applications and work with the HTTP or HTTPS traffic. And another is network load balancing, which handles every this one is a network load balancer, and this handles very fast and heavy traffic at the network levels. And another is a gateway load balancer, which helps to route the traffic through the third-party security applications like firewalls, and these things. And another is a classic load balancer, which is the oldest versions that support the basic load balancing features. Okay, we'll be discussing on the. I'll make a specific video about the type of elastic load balancing in another video. So how EBL works? How does elastic load balancing work? When users need a request, okay, then EBL checks which targets are healthy through regularly health checks. Uh, it only sends the request to instances that are up and running. So it also integrates with the auto scaling. So when a demand increases, new instances are automatically added to the load balancer without any manual setup. If you don't know about the auto scaling, then the main function of auto scaling is to automatically perform the tasks, yeah, according to the need and demand of the uh, demand of the environment of the or situations. Okay, so I have already made I have a video I'll post after this one about the auto scaling too. So, what are the benefits of the what are the benefits of using the elastic load balancing? The biggest benefits of EVL is that it's fully managed. AWS handle everything behind the scene, so it ensures secure data transmission using SSL or TSL certificates. It automatically manages the scaling and reduce the downtime. It is also cost effective because you only pay for the what you use. So it is very cost effective. You don't have to do anything. AWS manages everything using the secure connection like SSL and TSL. Okay, let's see the real world example about here. Let's talking about that is, let's see if just think about you have an online shopping like e-commerce website or something like that, and it's running on a several EC2 instances during a big sale like any kind of sale that Black Friday or something like that that happens occasion once in a year in the USA. As USA traffic increases rapidly, right? So EBL helps to distribute these requests evenly across the all the instances, and manage it properly. If one instance is fail, it reroute the users automatically, ensuring that the website stay responsive and customer have the smooth shopping experience. So at the conclusion, what we can say is the elastic load balancer is like a heart of the AWS networking. It keeps your application stable, secure, and always online by balancing requests automatically. It's a key service for anyone building scalable, fault-tolerant applications in the AWS cloud. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you have any queries or questions regarding the video, you can let me in. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you.